Yeah, very good afternoon to all sponsors and delegates. It is indeed a pleasure. It's indeed a pleasure to be a part of the Digital Banking Summit organized by EP. Today, I will talk on 4 topics in which banks can get benefits adopting intelligent automation by making their processes smarter. I have tried relating these how banks can benefit adopting the new age intelligent automation. The year passed by has taught a lot of lessons and disrupted the traditional way we do banking. Using technology has now become the key to cater to the business growth and to service our customers. My first topic is on how to power your VPN. Most of the banks have already implemented some kind of a workflow VPN EDMS solutions around the core and the point solutions to provide flexibility to the business users and also for their approval processes. Be it credit approval for various loans in the asset side or for account opening processes or liability in the liabilities end, or even maybe for a trade finance process for their corporate customers. There's a huge potential to now power these workflows leveraging the new age technologies using intelligent data capture, robotic process automation, and inducing artificial intelligence and machine learning. Just to give you an example, approving a personal loan or maybe an auto loan, the salesperson or the DSA agent captures the basic details of the borrower and uploads these documents like PAN, Aadhaar, Form 16 for address and credit verification. A lot of these banks scan these documents and it flows to the bank's central processing center, CPC, where the AVCD is done manually by visiting the NSDL, UID, CIBIL, or any other credit bureau's site. As we speak today, some of the banks perform these activities through scanning, data entry, and eyeballing for scrutiny, and thereafter flows to the credit team for credit appraisal. With the advent of intelligent data, capture and RPA, we can eliminate all of these manual processes and provide STP till the credit verification process. Post the credit verification, the process till disbursement can also be automated. My second topic is on how to automate your back office. When it comes to banks' back office operations, a quick turnaround with the least possible errors is in demand for business. A lot of these operations today are hugely manual and people dependent. This leads to a longer TAT and risk of losing a prospective customer. In the current business scenario, there is a need to automate the back office processes using technology, robotic process automation, and intelligent data capture powered with AI/ML helps banks in document classifications, which turns data to information and then knowledge. RPA has helped banks to automate various processes like account opening process, KYC, bank reconciliation, remittance processes, credit limit extension for trade finance products, or any other processes. AI/ML is extensively used for reading and analyzing data from large document sets, for example, in corporate lending. The intelligent solution will essentially ascertain and highlight the risk in the shortest possible time. Identifying the right partner to implement an RPA will lead to huge cost saving and increase operations efficiency. We have seen banks using bots for different processes for 24/7 in their CPCs for a faster ROI. My third topic is on how to leverage a unified digital platform. A lot of banks now feel the need of a unified digital platform for the retail assets and liability products. In the current scenario, where the movement is restricted, the footfalls in the branch is less, a unified digital platform can be leveraged, which can be used by the free force as well as the DSAs. Most of the banks today have a front-end application for individual products which are not necessarily interconnected. For example, an application for retail lending and another second application for housing loan and the third for SME or maybe corporate lending. This unified digital platform enables salesperson to capture information at source across all banking products. These captured information or the documents flow through a seamless workflow and API integration to the bank's back office application instantaneously, leaving no room for errors. The file which thus flows to the CPC of the bank is ready for credit appraisal in case of any loans or for any liability product. The use of artificial intelligence and machine learning is extensively used here to ensure only incremental document collection in case of an existing customer opting for other products. This helps to reduce the turnaround time for disbursal in terms of the lending products or for any liability product like an account opening. Banks are now moving to rural areas where this digital channel is imperative. This system can be configured to work offline or online and sync when it is online. Banks who operate, especially in the hub and spoke model, can now send these information collected at source from a spoke location straight to the CPC bypassing the hubs, which will reduce a huge turnaround time and optimize the hub resource cost as well. Enabling the customer with a responsive app with a self-service model will also help in more client acquisitions and a unified customer experience. My fourth and the last topic for today's discussion is on the digital workplace, which is also commonly known as an e-office. So amidst the current scenario where we have restrictions and we have to work from home, physical file handling and movement becomes a constraint and impacts our day-to-day operations. In order to overcome this situation and also as a part of a Digital India initiative, financial institutions, banks, even regulatory bodies are adopting this digital workplace which supports all day-to-day operations and helps organization moves towards the goal of green workplace. The salient features which comes out, it eliminates the complete paper usage, improves transparency, accountability, and traceability for each file in an organization. There are predefined escalation matrix which can be defined, alerts and notification with auto reminders which can facilitate faster execution and timely response. Advanced collaborative features enhance and enable faster decision-making process. And of course, anytime, anywhere, access to the repository, which is secured and helps in streamlining of the business processes. For nationalized bank, Rajbhasha compliance, creation, search and retrieval of the documents in Hindi is also a feature which they would like to go in for. Now that we have spoke on the various areas of intelligent automation, let me now give a sneak peek on what Datamatics has to offer in the area of intelligent automation. We have built BPM solutions around the core and point solutions of the bank to give a seamless document flow and enable straight-through processing. This business flow are enabled with AI and ML as well as RPA. We have built 800 plus robotic processes in multiple banks to ensure operational efficiency and optimize cost. This has helped banks to attain operation efficiency and huge amount of cost saving and human dependency. We have helped banks in order to build a unified digital platform to capture or rather to enable capture information at source, which led to a faster TAT and improved accuracy. The e-office or the digital workplace solution replaces paper-based file movement and has saved banks and financial institutions to take quick decisions and also to save on storage space for the paper-based documents. Digital workplace solution complies this by having all notes, files, circulars, in repository which can be digitally routed and approved within timelines. So that's all for me, and thank you very much. I hope you are enjoying the sessions.